So, here we are. First trip in Nurse Betty. That's the toilet and changing tent. Our homemade awning is up. I don't know how long for. Those suckers that are supposed to stick to the roof are rubbish. So first bit of wind, that'll probably come down, but it's up. And of course, for my first trip I'm not camping alone. We brought Poppy with us too, yay! It's such a peaceful place here. Nobody to bother you. Exactly what I was looking for a first trip in my microcamper. Poppy! Poppy likes it too. Poppy camping! Poppy! Poppy all about that van life! So, here's Nurse Betty. Let's check out the accommodation. There's Poppy's travel box. She was sick 3 times on the way here, bless her. So, I'll be sleeping on this bed here. Poppy's bed's going to go down there. I've got to move a few things around first. So, time for a brew, a piece of chocolate and a well-earned rest. Poppy's having her dinner. Nice bit of chicken dinner for you, eh, darling? Just kick back and enjoy the view. So, this will be a grand first try for Nurse Betty. Well, for £5 a night, Field Farm Animal Sanctuary is absolutely brilliant. Highly recommend it. I love you. Bye-bye.